Hey, what's up guys, it's JB again. Today I've got a Jimmy's SaberForge Bastion. I just got finished with this. I just polished it up too, so it's nice and shiny. This install has a Nano Biscotti V3 with two sound fonts. The first sound font is Luke, Return of the Jedi. The second sound font is Ilum, but I edited the boot up so it has the Emperor saying fulfill your destiny on the boot up. It's green, white, Cree LED. It has an illuminated switch, which is green. The kill key is the new kill keys by SaberForge. Laser Forge is what they call it. It has a Goth 3D chassis. It has a 2-watt bass speaker. It has the original blade plugs by SaberForge. Yeah, that's pretty much there is to it to this Hilt. Yeah, I guess it's just fired up now. I'm gonna test out a 37-inch blade and a 37-inch day blade, a blue one by SaberForge, and I just want to see what it looks like with the green. So here we go.
I am a Jedi, like my father before me.
And that is the Luke Return of the Jedi, obviously. There's the illuminated switch. So this green, I love green. It's the normal green. It blends well with the switch. This is captured right out of the episode 6. Has the white flash on clash. And this is the one with the font that I edited.
Now, fulfill your destiny.
And this is Ilum. Very, very steady, deep hum. So yeah, let's test it out with the blade now. We're gonna do the normal blade, which is the 37-inch. Still got a little bit of the polish residue. I'll be sure to take that off. I really like the vents on this hilt, the Bastion. So there we go, very, very bright. You got the vents right there, looking really clean. Very bright white on the clash.
Jedi, like my father before me.
And this is very, very, what's the word? It goes well with it, is what I'm trying to say, the green. The font, that is. I love the windows, the little vents on the Bastion. speaker, really nice, crisp sound. So that's pretty much theirs to this Saber. This will go out with other Sabers during the week. Also with you purchased a 37-inch blade and a kill key from me, Jimmy, so look out for that in the mail this week. Thanks, guys.